southeastern Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Cape May County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 12:15 a.m. At 11:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elwood Magnolia to near English Creek to near Strathmere, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, Ocean City, Pleasantville, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Northfield, Absecon, Margate City, Tuckerton, Surf City, Port Republic, Longport, Pomona, New Gretna, Beach Haven West, Mystic Island, Linwood, and Monahawken. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Tuesday for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, and Ocean.